In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an arrow in Adobe Illustrator quickly and professionally. Whether you're designing infographics, diagrams, flowcharts, or icons, arrows are essential elements. And the good news is, Illustrator makes them incredibly easy to create once you know where to look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing project where you want to add your arrow. To create an arrow, we're going to start by drawing a simple line. Go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Line Segment tool. You can also press the # key on your keyboard as a shortcut to activate it instantly. Now click and drag on your artboard to draw a line. If you want to keep the line perfectly straight, hold down the Shift key while dragging. Holding Shift will constrain the angle so your line stays perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle. This is especially useful if you're creating clean, professional designs. Once you've drawn your line, make sure it's selected. If it's not selected, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard, then click on the line to highlight it. With the line selected, we're going to add the arrowhead. Next, go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Stroke from the drop-down list. This will open the Stroke panel. If the panel appears small or collapsed, click on the little menu icon in the corner of the panel and choose Show Options so you can see all available settings. Inside the Stroke panel, look for the section labeled Arrowheads. You'll see two drop-down menus, one for the start of the line and one for the end. If you want the arrow to appear at the end of the line, open the End drop-down menu and select the arrow style you prefer. Illustrator provides multiple arrowhead designs, so you can choose the one that best fits your project. If you want an arrow on both ends, you can also select a style from the Start drop-down. As soon as you choose an arrowhead style, you'll see it applied to your line instantly. If the arrowhead looks too small or too large compared to your line, don't worry. Just below the arrowhead's options, you'll find the scale settings. You can increase or decrease the percentage to adjust the size of the arrowhead independently from the stroke weight. For example, try increasing the scale to 150% to make it larger, or reduce it to 75% if it looks oversized. You can also adjust the stroke weight at the top of the stroke panel to make the line thicker or thinner. As you change the stroke weight, the arrow will update automatically. This allows you to fine-tune the look so everything feels balanced and consistent in your design. And that's it. That's how you create a clean, fully customizable arrow in Adobe Illustrator using the stroke panel. It's quick, simple, and completely editable at any time. Just select the line again if you want to change the arrow style, size, or stroke weight later. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.